Today we're going to add some style and function to the front of this twin-turbo 2018 Mustang GT with a street scene equipment front splitter. This street scene equipment front splitter is going to fit your base model non-performance pack 2018 through 2019 Mustang GT. It's made of a urethane finish with a matte black coating, and it's going to be a direct bolt-on to your factory front splitter. It includes the support rods and all necessary hardware for installation and is made right here in the USA. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands or ramps, Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, 10mm wrench, drill, 1/8" pilot bit, and a tape measure. The splitter is going to be held in place by screws, by these rods, and by double stick tape. So to put the tape on, the first thing we're going to do, there's a channel here. We're going to clean the channel with some alcohol and use the adhesion promoter that's included. Okay, you want to snap this. Install adhesion promoter on here. Okay, now we're going to cut the tape into pieces. Obviously, you're going to have quite a few. Carpet in the air, we're also going to clean the factory front splitter. We're going to use some alcohol here and then also adhesion promoter. Now, since this has been driven, you want to take the time to make sure this gets really clean. And then again, crack and apply adhesion promoter. All right, I definitely want a second set of hands for this part. What I'm gonna do now is line up the splitter. You want to pull the tape back a little bit, figure out exactly where it's going to go. I'm good over here. Are you good?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, pull yours down now and pull the tape off. Okay, then work your way across, firmly pressing into place. Now, the kit includes 8 of these longer screws for support. What we're going to do is put 2 on each end and spread the other ones across the middle. Just give it a little more support. Drill some pilot holes to make it easier. The last part of the installation is going to be these splitter rods. And what Street Scene recommends is to put basically here in your bumper and then down here. Now you can put these anywhere you want. Now in our case, we don't want to drill into the bumper. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the grill, kind of put them there and kind of like that. And what we'll do is we're just going to turn this now until it gets tight. Let's snug this up. Repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Our street scene equipment front splitter looks really good in the front of this 2018 Mustang, and the additional surface area the downforce is creating is probably going to help out as well. As far as the installation goes, pretty straightforward. Figure about an hour to an hour and a half and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.